All right, these last 3 slides we are going to have on the same video here. So we're going to drag and drop these labels to match the parts of the box plot below. So first of all, when we think of maximum, that's the biggest number, the maximum. So that is going to be the biggest number, so we're going to put that all the way to the right for this big number here. All right, minimum. Well, if it's not the biggest, it's going to be the smallest. So that is going to match for this one right here. Then when we take a look at the median, oh my goodness, median, middle, then line in the middle of our box. Quartile 1 is going to be the first line in our box plot. And then quartile 3 is going to be the third. Awesome. So hopefully you guys have that one finished and figured out. Let's go ahead and start making this now. So we're going to use the data below to identify the 5 data points. So if we take a look back here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the box plot. We're going to identify them. Then we're going to construct the box plot using this data. So first, let's put the data set in order. So let's put these numbers in order. I see 27. Anything lower than a 27? Oh, 25. So 25. And then I see 25, and then a 27. Then 28. And 29. So 28 and 29. Do we have a 30? No, but I have a 31. So I have 31. And then I have a 33. Whoop. Whoop. 33. And then I see 35. And 36. So 35, 36. Then I see no 37, 38, 39. So then I see a 40 and a 41. Okay, so 40, 41, 43, and then 44. All right, so first off, we know the maximum or the minimum is the smallest number. The smallest number is 25 right here. So that's our smallest number, so that's one of our data points. Our biggest number is going to be 44, so that's the maximum. Our median is going to be the number in the middle. So if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So the middle is going to be in between 33 and 35, which is going to be 34. And quartile 1, so if we have that as the middle, so I'm going to kind of make a little thing here. So let's find the medians of both the upper quartile and the lower quartile. And when we take a look at that, let's see. So in the median, I see so in between 28 and 29. So in between 28 and 29 is going to be 28.5, 28 and a half. I guess I'll make that a little smaller. And then in between in between 40 and 41 is going to be 40 and a half. 40 and a half. All right, now we're going to plot our minimum. So the minimum is 25, so I'm going to plot that minimum, the smallest dot, over 25. Maximum is going to be over 44. And there we go. The median is going to be the middle number. So I'm going to take this little line, and the median is 34. Then I'm going to put a line at quartile 1, which is 28 and a half. So in between 28 and 29. And then the quartile, quartile 3, my bad, is going to be, whatchamacallit, 40 and a half. Now I can make these little boxes. I can make them bigger and kind of have them as a bigger reference. There we go. I'm going to have to make another box of that. Awesome. So, let's see. Let's make that a little bit bigger. All right. Well, it is close. And then we can take these lines and connect our dots. So we can make this longer. Maybe not. Woo! Okay, I'm going to have to make this a little bit bigger. Oh my goodness. There we go. I'm going to have to make those a little bit different for us. So that is going to be close enough to our box plot here. Or, yes, our box plot. Let's take a look at that next one. So Mrs. Clark's class has collected data in their siblings' ages. We are going to put these results in order below. So let's take a look. I see a 3, a 4, 5, another 5. Okay, so I had a 3, a 4, a 5, another 5. Yeah. Oh, I have a 2. I didn't even see that. So I'm going to put a 2 in front. All right, and then we go up to 10. And a 7. So we have a 7 and then a 10. All right, and then 13. So 13, 15, 15. So 13, 15, 15. 16, 16. Almost there. 17. So 16, 16, 17. And then 19. Then 20. All right, so let's take a look. So our minimum, the smallest number is a 2. Biggest number is 20. The median, the middle. All right, let's try. Let's see if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. We can go more. We can go to 7. And 7 on both sides. So then, ooh, look at that. Our median, or the middle, is going to be 13. Oop. So 13 is our median. Let's go ahead and find the median of the upper and lower quartiles. And I apologize, it says quartile 2. That should say quartile 3. That is my fault. I will change that for your guys' slides. All right, so let's find the median here. What if I did 3 numbers on this side, 3 numbers on this side? Woohoo! Median is 5 here. Or for the quartile 1, it's going to be 5. Quartile 3, let's take a look. If I go 1, 2, 3, whoop, and then 1, 2, 3, perfect. 3 and 3, so 16, yay! All right, let's start plotting these. So our minimum is going to be at 2. Maximum is at 20. The median, or the middle, is at 13. Quartile 1 is going to be at 5. And quartile 3, I have to change that, is going to be at 16. All right, I am going to connect these now. There we go. Hopefully that works. There we go. Oh, this is going much smoother than the last slide. I don't know what. Ooh. what was wrong with that last line. Okay, there we go. And this one, I'll connect it here. All right, not too bad. Perfect, so that box plot looks a little better. And that's going to be it for all 3 of those lessons. Woohoo, great job.